Hello my darlings, I am so excited to share with you my cozy evening routine and a lovely, very autumnal recipe that I would love for you to try as well. We're going to start off with the recipe. It's usually something that I start to prepare at around 6 o'clock, these early dark evenings. Of course, I want to use some seasonal produce, so I'm going to be making a pumpkin risotto. You'll see that after carving it into thirds, I've saved some of the seeds, which I'm going to roast in the Aga. But first, to prep the pumpkin pieces for this lovely hearty risotto, I've cut the pumpkin into these really thick slices. I'm using a peeler to get rid of the skin, and then just chopping it really carefully into more manageable chunks. So I'm actually doing the pumpkin risotto recipe on my Thermomix because it's so easy and you can multitask because the Thermomix does all the stirring, all the sauteing, all the hard work. But you can definitely do this on your hob. It might just be a little bit more labor intensive. So first of all, I'm sauteing the pumpkin for 15 minutes. And while that does its thing, I'm getting the rice ready. Of course, rinsing it first. I'm using arborio risotto rice. Again, I'm cooking this in my Thermomix, but you can do this on the hob in a saucepan. You're going to want to add plenty of water, a veggie stock cube, and some salt. And give it a really good stir around, and then add your pumpkin, which should be nice and soft, and some peas as well. You can also add some white wine if you like. That might just add the loveliest bit of flavour. So my Thermomix has been stirring this around and heating it up for about 15 minutes. So again, you can stir it and heat it on the hob. I'm adding some additional Parmesan cheese and some pepper, which just makes it even more tasty. And I'm going to enjoy dinner by the fire in our very cozy family room. Then I'm going to fill up the kettle and make myself a really lovely tea. I like to have some kind of herbal tea just to relax me and get me ready for bed. This one from Clipper is really nice, and when the kettle is boiled up, I also use this hot water to pour myself a lovely hot water bottle. I have this super soft, gorgeous, fluffy hot water bottle. Sometimes I like to snuggle with it while I'm watching TV downstairs, but it also just makes the bed so cozy on these chillier autumnal evenings. So let's take my cup of tea up into the bedroom and I'll show you my autumn evening skincare routine. I do switch around the products every now and then, but this is the main kind of steps that I take each evening. Of course, I can't resist having a lovely bath. I like to mix and match my bath oils. I'm adding a little bit of neom for that gorgeous fragrance, and this Elemis muscle soak is great if your muscles are feeling a little bit tired, which I find mine do if I've spent a lot of time in the garden or I've been to the gym. I'm using my By Terry Biphase makeup remover on a reusable cotton pad just to get rid of the majority of my makeup before going in with a cleanser, and I'm using the Elemis Superfood Cleanser. This has actually got pumpkin enzyme in it, which I feel is really appropriate for this time of year, and AHAs, which just nibble away at the dead skin, so it helps to keep your complexion glowing during the cooler months. I like to use a nice warm flannel to take this off. To be honest, sometimes I leave this cleanser on my skin for a good 5 minutes or so, and it just enables the ingredients to get to work. This next step is a real treat. This is the Aromatherapy Associates oil, and I used to just pour this in the bath until I actually read the instructions, and you're meant to pop this on your chest, and because it's so potent in the essential oils, basically if you're in the bath or in the shower, you get to inhale them and enjoy them while you are pampering yourself. So I like to have a lovely soak in the tub and then treat myself to a really gorgeous, rich body lotion. I love this one from Elemis. It's part of their Frangipani range. And oh my goodness, it smells so good. Then I continue my skincare. This toner from Fresh I absolutely love. It's got rose oil in there, so it's really soothing. and then my eye cream from Bare Minerals, and I've started to use quite a few products from the new quarterly Resveratrol Lift range. So I'm applying that serum after patting the eye cream around my eye area, and I like to give myself a little bit of a facial massage when I'm applying the products as well. So this is the new serum. It's got kind of natural collagen and anti-aging ingredients in there, which is lovely. So I'm using the night cream from this range as well. I just love the consistency and the texture of this range, and it always leaves my skin looking beautifully glowing. So another really lovely addition to my skincare routine. Okay, yes, this is officially the coziest bed in the whole world. I'm so happy with our bed linen, our mattress. It's just, I cannot even explain how comfy this bed is. So I like to hop into bed as early as possible. To be honest, I'm usually in bed, and Charlie, at around 8:30 in the evening with my hot water bottle. It's just so cozy. I like to apply a lovely lip balm before bed, especially at this time of year. And then I'm applying a hand serum. This one is very fancy, from La Mer to the back of my hands. This is really great for anti-aging, especially again if you've been out in the garden. And this particular hand cream from Guerlain from the Abbaye Royale range is so luxurious, so pampering. It leaves my hands gorgeously soft. Plumping up the pillows, I forgot to show you my misting of the pillows with our night spray, and that is my cozy autumn evening routine. Thank you so much for watching.